In this video, we're diving into the world of fishing with the 5 best spinning reels for 2025. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner, these reels will elevate your fishing experience and help you reel in your biggest catch yet. If you want more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product links below in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 5. DEUKIO FS Fishing Reel. The DEUKIO FS boasts a large-capacity metal spool. It's light yet incredibly strong, allowing you to handle longer lines and bigger catches without missing a beat. The chamfered design of the spool ensures high-precision routing, which translates to smoother casts and retrievals. And speaking of power, this reel has a maximum drag of 12 kg. That means it's perfect for a variety of fishing methods and can handle those tough, aggressive fish with ease. The large unloading force ensures that you're always in control, no matter how hard the fish fight. The DEUKIO FS is equipped with a CNC metal handle that's processed with advanced CNC technology. This handle is incredibly strong and firm, ready to withstand even the most intense battles. Plus, the EVA grip pill ensures a comfortable, non-slip grip, no more slipping or sweating during those long fishing sessions. Inside, you'll find a thickened main bearing that adds extra power and strength. The internal metal shaft, large metal-toothed disc, and brass-toothed bar all work together to deliver a smooth and powerful performance. Not only is this reel functional, but it's also a visual stunner. The DEUKIO FS comes in a striking red and black color combination that's sure to turn heads at your favorite fishing spot. Equipped with a 1BB bearing, the DEUKIO FS provides exceptionally smooth operation and reliability. Each turn of the handle is effortless, giving you more control and precision as you reel in your catch. Number 4. DEUKIO Spinning Fishing Reel. The DEUKIO Spinning Fishing Reel is ultralight, but packs a punch with a maximum drag of 15 kg. This means it's ready to tackle those big, stubborn fish you've been dreaming of catching. The reel features a bold throwing ring and a longma, a body that's lightweight yet incredibly strong. This high-density material has much higher compressive strength compared to ordinary nylon, making it perfect for tough fishing conditions. The DEUKIO spinning reel comes equipped with a lightweight aluminum alloy metal spool. This ensures fast and smooth line exit, so you're always ready for that next big catch. The metal handle, with its adjustment knob and soft rubber grip pills, provides a comfortable and secure grip even during those extended fishing sessions. Control is key with any fishing reel, and the DEUKIO spinning reel delivers. With an impressive 15 kg braking force, it's designed for powerful, precise control. The front and back unloading system allows you to adjust the drag to suit your needs, giving you the flexibility to handle any fishing battle. The reel features a one-way bearing system with 3+1BB bearings. This setup ensures there's no buffer during rotation, providing a smooth and precise fishing experience. Plus, the metal high-strength sounder delivers a clear and loud sound, adding to the reel's functionality. Number 3. BK Fishing Spinning Reel. The BK Fishing Spinning Reel is designed with an all-metal interior and metal gears. What does this mean for you? High wear resistance and rigidity that ensures long-lasting performance, even under the toughest fishing conditions. The all-metal spool is another standout feature. It's lighter than traditional spools and provides smoother function, making casting and reeling in your catch both efficient and enjoyable. The BK Fishing Spinning Reel features an interchangeable handle, making it perfect for both left-handed and right-handed anglers. No more struggling to find a comfortable grip, this reel adapts to your needs. The bold metal throwing line design ensures smoother line release without damaging your fishing line. This means fewer tangles and a more enjoyable fishing experience overall. The BK fishing spinning reel comes in various models, from BK 2000 to BK 7000, to accommodate different fishing needs. Whether you're fishing in freshwater or saltwater, there's a model that fits your requirements. With stainless steel ball bearings offering options of 13 BB, you'll experience smooth operation and reliable performance. The pre-loading spinning reel type and the all-metal line cup are designed for both strength and performance. This makes the BK fishing spinning reel a fantastic choice for various fishing environments, from freshwater lakes to saltwater seas. Number 2. Handing M1 Baitcasting Reel. The Handing M1 comes with a 10-level magnetic braking system featuring 30 pins and 8 magnetic beans. This advanced system allows you to fine-tune the brakes and spool tension with precision, giving you complete control over your casts. The reel is equipped with 6+1 double-shield stainless steel ball bearings. These bearings ensure long-lasting performance and reliable operation, whether you're casting or reeling in your catch. The Handing M1 also features brass gears and shafts, which provide excellent durability and corrosion resistance, even under high loads. This reel has passed a rigorous 72-hour corrosion resistance test in 5% salt spray, proving it can handle even the harshest environments. For drag power, the Handing M1 comes with 3 disc carbon fiber drag washers, delivering a maximum drag of 8 kg. This means you can tackle big catches with confidence and ease. Comfort is key during those long fishing sessions, and the Handing M1 delivers. The reel features soft rubber knobs and a low-profile design to enhance your grip and comfort. The M1 baitcasting reel is versatile enough for various fishing environments: oceans, lakes, reservoirs, ponds, and streams. Whether you're fishing from a boat, the shore, or a pier, this reel is up to the task. Another great feature is the tapered line guide and double guide shafts, which enhance casting accuracy and minimize backlashes. This means smoother and more enjoyable fishing experiences. Number 1. Samolla Electronic Fishing Reel. The Samolla Large Deep Sea Electronic Fishing Reel is designed with serious anglers in mind. It features a robust metal base and a high-tech digital display, giving you all the information you need at a glance. The high-definition screen is one of the reel's standout features. It displays the throwing distance and includes a backlight for easy visibility, even in low-light conditions. Plus, there's a built-in alarm system that alerts you with a beep and a screen flash when you've hooked a fish. Control is key, and the Samolla reel doesn't disappoint. It comes with 10 powerful magnetic brake beans, 7+1 stainless steel bearings, and 24 gear brake adjustments. This setup ensures precise control and incredibly smooth operation, making your fishing experience both efficient and enjoyable. The Precision electronic chip is a game changer. It records the distance of your line and alerts you when you've got a bite. The tapered line outlet minimizes friction, allowing for longer and more accurate casts. Whether you're casting from a boat or trolling in deep sea, the real-time control and fish-catching alarm system make the Samolla reel an essential tool. Setting it up is a breeze. Just press and hold the left button for 2 seconds to power it on. Cycle through the PE line numbers and save your settings with a simple press. And don't worry about charging. The USB interface keeps your reel always ready for action. Built to withstand harsh conditions, the Samolla fishing reel features a corrosion-resistant stainless steel base and a waterproof plug design to protect the USB charging interface. And there you have it, the 5 best fishing reels for 2025. With these reels in your arsenal, you'll be ready for any fishing adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fishing gear reviews and tips. Tight lines.